You are tuned to FM Gold channel of All India Radio, Delhi. To celebrate the spirit of sports and Olympic Games, we are continuing with the next episode of our special series entitled The Saga of Olympics, Past to the Present by Nitish Arora.
Hello friends, I am Shalini Mittal. Olympics from the past to the present. We are going to bring to you various shades of Olympic Games. Facts, known and unknown. Players' profiles, stats, trivia, interesting stats, experts' opinion, players speak, and a very special section in which greetings and messages by the listeners and well-wishers of Team India under the section #Cheer for India.
तेरे साथ तिरंगा है, ये विजय का उद्घोष है। तू ठान ले, तू ठान ले, तू ठान ले, तू ठान ले, अब जीत को अंजाम दे।
एक खिलाड़ी दुनिया के किसी कोने में हाथ में तिरंगा लेकर के दौड़ता है, सारे हिंदुस्तान में ऊर्जा भर देता है।
वहाँ एथलीट्स दम लगाएंगे, आप यहाँ से हौसला बढ़ाओ। चीयर फॉर इंडिया।
#Cheer for India.
Hello Team India, this is Dr. Akshat Chaman Rao from Jammu, India, and I cheer for you all. I bring special tidings of joy and happiness, and I greet you all a huge victory and success. And I would like to dedicate this special song for my own Team India, and here it goes. हम बड़े चले, हम डरे नहीं, हम भारत की पहचान है, बतला देंगे दुनिया को हम, भारत ही सबसे महान है। हम बड़े चले, हम डरे नहीं, हम भारत की पहचान है, बतला देंगे दुनिया को हम, भारत ही सबसे महान है। भारत होगा विजय, इंडिया होगा विजय, भारत होगा हमेशा विजय। भारत होगा विजय, इंडिया होगा विजय, भारत होगा हमेशा विजय। हम बड़े चले, हम डरे नहीं, हम भारत की पहचान है, बतला देंगे दुनिया को हम, भारत ही सबसे महान है, भारत ही सबसे महान है, भारत ही सबसे महान है।
तेरे साथ तिरंगा है, ये विजय का उद्घोष है। तू ठान ले, तू ठान ले, तू ठान ले, तू ठान ले, अब जीत को अंजाम दे।
एक खिलाड़ी दुनिया के किसी कोने में हाथ में तिरंगा लेकर के दौड़ता है, सारे हिंदुस्तान में ऊर्जा भर देता है।
वहाँ एथलीट्स दम लगाएंगे, आप यहाँ से हौसला बढ़ाओ। चीयर फॉर इंडिया।
Over to the host of the program, Nitish Arora.
Thank you, Shalini, and welcome, listeners. Today, we are going to talk about the modern Olympic Games, or the Olympics. Olympic Games are the leading international sporting event, and they are repeated every 4 years. But there are two Olympic Games. One is Summer Olympic Games, and the other is Winter Olympic Games. And the competitions in which thousands of athletes from all around the world participate in various competitions. The Olympic Games are considered the world's foremost sports competition, with more than 200 nations participating in it. Normally, the Olympic Games are held every 4 years, alternating between the Summer and Winter Olympics every 2 years in the 4-year period. The creation of modern Olympic Games was also inspired by the ancient Olympic Games, which were held in Olympia, Greece from the 8th century BC to the 4th century AD. Baron Pierre de Coubertin founded the International Olympic Committee, that is IOC, in the year 1894, leading to the first modern games in Athens in 1896. Thus, The IOC is the governing body of the Olympic movement, with the Olympic Charter defining its structure and authority. The evolution of the Olympic movement during the 20th and 21st centuries has resulted in several changes to the Olympic Games. Some of these adjustments include the creation of the Winter Olympic Games for snow and ice sports and the Paralympic Games for athletes with physical disabilities. We also have the Youth Olympic Games for athletes that are under the age of 18. Apart from Olympic Games, we have 5 continental games. They are Pan America, African, Asian, European and Pacific Games. The world of games for sports. Do you know that modern Olympic Games were cancelled in 1916, 1940 and 1944?
Olympics trivia, the known and the unknown.
Interesting trivia. Do you know that the Cold War limited participation in the 1980 and 1984 Olympics?
Players profile. What makes the champion?
Age 21, Deepika Kumari is having a world ranking of number 1, the highest world ranking in the world. She belongs to Jamshedpur and started her archery career in the year 2006. She is a right-handed archer and her hobbies include songs and food. A look at her career so far. She has won 2 gold medals in World Archery Youth Championship that was held in 2011 and 2009 and a bronze medal in the team event in the year 2011. In the World Archery Championships, she has won 2 silver medals, one both in the team events in 2015 and 2011. In the World Cup finals, she has won 4 silver medals at the individual level in 2015, 2013, 2012 and 2011 and 1 individual bronze medal in 2018. At the World Cup stage, she has won 10 gold medals, including 4 individual gold medals, 2 of which were won in 2021, just very recent, and another 2 in 2018 and 2012. She has won 6 gold medals in team events and again 2 of them in 2021 and 2 in 2013 and 1 each in 2011 and 2014. At the World Cup stage, she has also won 11 silver medals and 7 bronze medals. Deepika Kumari is highly decorated archer from India and our best bet for Tokyo Olympics. Go for gold, Deepika.
The expert's opinion, the predictor pundit.
And the expert with us is veteran sports journalist IG Rajaraman. Raja, welcome to the program. And what is your prediction, the predictor pundit?
First and foremost, and we look at it in alphabetical order, although like I said, this is not so much a formal conversation that we are having, but I guess we will do well in archery. Remember, Deepika Kumari is world number 1 in the women's individual event and they've been training very hard and Deepika can win an individual medal. But again, archery depends on luck of the day, depends on the kind of draw that you come up against. And then the men's team, they will surprise a lot of people because they have beaten teams like the United States of America, they've beaten Italy, they've beaten China, they've beaten Korea, and they know what it takes to win big championships. The men archers will surprise. So that's archery for you.
Players speak, those who matter the most.
Well, India can definitely boast of for having a world champion in Deepika, as Raja said. So why not have it straight from the horse's mouth? Deepika Kumari.
मैंने बैम्बू ब्रो से स्टार्ट किया था और फिर धीरे धीरे मैं मॉडर्न बो पे आई थी. बहुत अच्छी रही. स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा सा स्ट्रगल हुआ था बिकॉज फैसिलिटीज वहाँ अच्छी नहीं थी. उसके बाद एक साथ आर्चरी करने के बाद काफी अच्छी फैसिलिटीज मिली और काफी अच्छे कोच भी मिले. उम्मीदें तो है लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा उम्मीदें खुद से होती है और हम यहीं पे फोकस कर रहे हैं कि जितना भी ध्यान है अपने प्रैक्टिस पे हो और कैसे मुझे परफॉर्म करना है, इस चीज ज्यादा फोकस कर रही हूँ.
#Cheer for India.
This is Vishwanath Phaigaonkar. I am PhD research scholar from IIT Bombay. All the best, Team India. Go for it. The medal is ours.
Olympics from past to the present.
You just heard the next episode of our special series, The Saga of Olympics, Past to the Present by Nitish Arora. This broadcast came to you on the FM Gold channel of All India Radio Delhi. Please stand by for the next broadcast.